Right, let's continue. Last year, Emma's salary was 83,450, and she had taxable deductions of 2,320. This year, her salary increased by 4% and her taxable deductions decreased by 5%. What was Emma's taxable income this year? Okay, so what was her income this year? Her income would be 83,450 increased by 4%. How do we do increase by 4%? What do we multiply it by?
104.
Percent.
And then the other one would be 95.
And then her deduction, so income, her gross income, her deductions equals 2320 times 95%. Correct.
Yeah.
So let's just work these out.
The first one is 86,788.
86,788.
Yes.
Perfect. And then I worked out the deductions. So pretty much her taxable income is these two subtracted.
84,584.
Easy. Use it again to find the percentage of her new taxable income Emma will pay in income tax. Use the tax table to find the percentage of her new taxable income Emma will pay in income tax. Okay, so first you got to work out the income tax, then you got to work out what percentage that is out of her taxable income. Right? So the idea is, imagine tax was, let's just say it was 40,000. The idea is if tax was 40,000, then your percentage is 40,000 over 84,000. It's almost half. So half of your income will be paid in tax. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's all this is asking you to do.
Okay.
So again, don't overthink it. Don't look into it too much. It's just simple. So let's look at how much tax was for 84,000. I'm pretty sure 84,000 means that you are in this one. Yep. 3572, 32 and a half. 3572, 3572 plus 32.5% for anything over 37K. All right, let's do it. So tax was, or tax is, 84,584 minus 37,000. Multiply that by 32.5%. Add that to 3572. And you're done. For the tax, $19,036.80. Therefore, the percentage, read it again, percentage of her income that will be paid in tax. So that just means here's your tax over the larger number. So how much of your income is actually going to tax? That's all you're trying to work out. Your 22.5% of your income.
Yeah.
Times it by 100, of course. Simple?
Yep.
Theon earns a yearly salary of 70,000. His annual leave loading is 17.5% of 4 weeks' pay. Calculate his total pay for his 4 weeks of annual leaving. Well, his yearly salary is 70,000, so you could do this one because it's not too hard. You can just use the numbers, even though we didn't. Divided by 4 weeks' pay. So just divide this one by 52 and then times it by 4. It'll be easier to do it that way than divide it by 13. But anyways, there's that. That's your weekly salary for 4 weeks. Oh, no, sorry. Sorry. I just realized something. All right, 70,720 divided by 52. That's how much you get paid per week. Yes,
Yeah.
which is 1,360. And the magic number that we use for total pay, so holiday pay, is 1360 times 4.7. So do that, and you should be done. This is,
6,192.
I want you to remember that number. Otherwise, the second way that you're going to get taught is this. 1,360 times 4 weeks plus 1,360 times 4 weeks times 17.5%.
Oh yeah, you watch. That'll be how I learn it.
Yeah.
Well, so you know how you do like the if it's like 4% increase and it's 104. My teacher did that way too, actually.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. So he's like, you can do that way or that way, and everyone chose the way that you do it. So I was like, I already know this anyway.
Yeah, great. That's it. That's
Yeah.
what we want.
Yeah.
It's easier when it's more uniform like that and everyone's consistent. Makes
Yeah,
it
because even
easier.
when you know how we do like it was like the balance method or the bridging method with algebra. He would like do both ways because half the class likes one way and half the class likes the other way, and it was so annoying. But now everyone likes one way, so I'm like, okay, that's good.
Yes. Each week, Poppy works a part-time job and is paid at the rate summarized in the table. Saturday, time and a quarter, which is 1.25. Sunday, time and a half, and then Monday will be just normal time, which is 23.40 per hour. Start time, finish time, unpaid break. Start time, finish time, unpaid break. I think you get the ID. Calculate the gross pay for 3 days' work. All right. How long from 1300, which is 1 p.m., to 1730, which is 4:30 p.m. Obviously, excluding 30 minutes would just be 3 hours. So Saturday,
Yeah.
3 hours at 1.25 of plus. Sunday from 10 a.m. So be careful to 4 p.m. That looks like it's 6 hours, but then you got to take away 1 hour, right? Because you don't get paid for that. So 5 hours at time and a half of 23.40 plus last one. This one's 9 a.m. This is 5:30 p.m. So 9 to 5:30 looks like it's about 8.5. Take away
So
1.
yeah.
7.5 at normal rate, and you're done. So let's work that out.
I got 438.75.
438.75. I'll believe you, unless you've done something wrong. Someone will let us know. If Poppy works for 48 weeks in a year and has taxable deductions of 1,480, what amount of tax will she need to pay? So again, you're working out tax. So the first thing to work out tax is you need taxable income, right?
Yeah.
So okay, your taxable income, it's $438.75 times 48 weeks minus your deductions. That is your taxable income for the year.
1980.
19,580. Now that you know that, you'll go up 19,580 and work out how much tax that is. So where are you? 19,580 here. 19 cents for every dollar over 18,200. So 19% of everything over 18,200. She pays minus 18,200, and you pay 19% of that. And that's it. For the whole year, $262.20.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
It's easy. Let's get going. The table lists the maximum fortnightly payments for people on youth allowance. So I think it makes pretty much self-explanatory sense when you read all this. And that's the maximum payment. Liam is 19 years old and lives with his parents, who have a combined annual taxable income of $62,000. Liam's annual youth allowance is reduced by 20 cents for every dollar his parents' taxable income exceeds $52,000. How much will Liam receive fortnightly? So Liam is a 19-year-old, so he's not younger than 18. Not younger than 18, he's here. Single, no children, 18 years old or older, and lives at parents' home.
Okay, yeah.
Yep, does that make sense?
Yeah.
This is Liam. So the maximum he'll ever get is $293.60. But because his parents earn above this threshold, he will have a reduction of 20 cents for every dollar. So that just means work out. That's very similar to your taxation. Like I do the math the same way. So it works like this. 62,420 minus 52,706 times by 20%. Work out how much that is. So he'll get a reduction of $1,942.80 for the whole year. Don't forget this is yearly. Yes?
Yeah.
Whereas this is fortnightly. So we're going to divide this by 26. $74.72. So he will earn, Liam earns $293.60 minus $74.72. $218.88. Easy?
Yeah.
Jack and Jill are both aged 20 years old, both live away from home and receive youth allowance. Jill has a 4-year-old son. If Jack and Jill decide to move in together, by how much will their combined youth allowance payment reduce per fortnight? Okay, so first we've got to work them out individually, then we've got to work them out together. Okay, so individually.
What's the last two? So one's.
Wait, individually. I just said first.
Oh, yeah.
Because you're thinking about how much will they reduce. So they're just thinking, oh, should we move in together or shouldn't we? Or whatever. So individually, Jack. Jack would be a 20-year-old living away and has no son or anything. So Jack would be single, no children, 18 and older, and needs to live away from home. So Jack will earn $445.80.
Yeah.
Jack, $445.80. Jill would be single with children. So she would earn, so this would be Jill. This would be Jack. Now Jill is going to earn $584. It doesn't matter if you're away from home or you're not away from home, right?
Yeah.
As long as you've got a child, you'll automatically earn $584. Now combined, if they were together, if Jack and Jill decide to move in together, by how much will their combined youth allowance payment reduce per fortnight? So it's a member of a couple with no children or member of a couple with children.
Yeah, last one.
That would be the last one, right? So it would be $489. So combined, it would be $489 each. Don't forget that. So a lot of people will go, oh, it's just $489. Not really, because they're a member of a couple. So that's one person gets $489, the other member gets another $489.
Yeah.
So we work it out, and that's it. The last one is $979.20 if they were individuals. They were earning $1,030. Obviously, it is reduced by Better for them to be single. They're better off by $50 a fortnight. Times it by 26. That's $1,300 a year. You get the idea.
Yeah.
Right, I think that looks like it's all for chapter 1. Then we'll get up to chapter 2. So I might pause that there as well.